Hello guys, today we're unboxing these new Motorola's. They're called the Motorola Verve Buds 110. They're supposed to be waterproof, IPX4. They're supposed to have like touch control on each earbud, so I'm guessing to control certain items. They also have Amazon Alexa. They're Amazon Alexa enabled, or Google Assistant enabled, and Siri, so smart voice assistants. This is the box. Pretty much they retail for about $49 to $69 at the store, and today we picked some up to unbox them and check them out. On the side you'll see earbuds, 4 hours of playtime with 8 hours charging case. So it comes with a case just like the AirPods. Rich stereo sound, Bluetooth 5.0. Use either bud as a mono Bluetooth headset, and it has a little picture. It says 2 buds, charger, compact water resistant true wireless buds. All right, so first unboxing right here. So here's what it comes with. Just tap and ask Alexa and to enjoy 70,000 plus skills on the go. So these are Alexa built in. Here's what the little carrying case, very similar to the AirPods. Here's the AirPods. They're kind of stuck in here. So there's 2 buds, AirPods. They're very sleek. Here's the little carrying case with the charging carrying case. And here's the box, the 2 buds. Let's see what's inside. So inside we get a charger. It comes with a USB charger. Comes with a manual and disclaimers. And this is what the box looks like and what's inside. So, all right, let's see if we can pair these together. So initially, to turn them on, I believe you have to put them in here. All right, so they're in here. There's a blue light somewhere. I don't know if you can catch it. Yeah, there's the light right there. And now we can take them out. After pulling out the buds out of the little box, you want to search on your phone as Bluetooth, let it connect, find the Verve Buds 110, connect them, and you're ready to go. This is what they look like. A couple built-in features. If you tap the left one, it'll play music. If you double tap the right one, it'll skip to the next song. So a couple features built in. Overall, they're very comfortable. They're easy to carry. They're a little smaller than the AirPods, and they don't stick out as much as the AirPods. So I think Motorola did a good job here.